Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix apps download stuck in waiting on home screen of your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem while downloading or installing apps from your app store, here I will show you how can you fix this problem on your iPhone. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen, and from here you will have to simply drag down your control center. Here you can see, and from here you will have to make it sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, if your internet connection is working properly and still you are facing this problem, then you will have to change your internet connection. So guys, if you're using your Wi-Fi, then use your mobile data, and if you're using your mobile data, then use your Wi-Fi to fix this problem. So guys, after this, go for the second solution. If it doesn't work, that is, you will have to simply restart your device for one time, and then you will have to again try to install apps on your iPhone. So guys, restart your device and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the third solution. If it doesn't work, that is, you will have to disconnect all the connected VPNs on your iPhone. So guys, for that, open your settings, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So guys, from here check if there is any connected VPN on your device. So guys, disconnect all the connected VPNs in your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the next solution. If it doesn't work, that is, you will have to again open your settings on your iPhone, and then you will have to tap on general, and from here you will have to tap on software update, and from here you will have to check if there is any update available for your iPhone. So guys, update your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the next solution. If it doesn't work, that is, you will have to again open settings on your device, and from here you will have to tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and from here tap on reset, and from here tap on reset network settings. So guys, from here give your passcode for your iPhone and reset network settings on your device, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download or install apps on your iPhone very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.